Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the file and tools. Make sure your iPhone is updated and the original video is backed up. Install iMovie on the phone or have QuickTime/Hand break on a Mac as an alternative. Open iMovie, create a new movie project, and import the HDR Dolby Vision clip. This immediately places the clip into an SDR-capable timeline. Once done, you're ready to convert because iMovie exports in standard dynamic range by default when you choose compatible export set. With the clip in the timeline, make quick edits if needed, trim, stabilize, or adjust exposure. When finished, tap Done and open the Share menu. Choose Export Project or Save Video, then pick a resolution such as 1080p and the original frame rate. iMovie will render and export in standard dynamic range. This step forces conversion from Dolby Vision HDR into SDR, preserving color as best as possible. Make sure to wait for the render to complete before closing the app. After exporting, save the SDR file to Photos or Files and play it back on another device to confirm the HDR has been removed. If the colors appear too flat or too bright, try re-exporting at a different resolution or use Hand, break on a Mac, to explicitly convert Dolby Vision to SDR with color profile adjustments. If iMovie won't render, open the original on a Mac in QuickTime and export or transcode with Hand break as a reliable fallback. This usually fixes any leftover HDR metadata or playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.